Yes, sir. Welcome to my day number 3 in a big challenge how I'm trying to get fluent in English in 115 days using websites, reading books, writing, speaking skills, vocabulary, watching, listening, movies, everything. I do more things, dedicate much more time to learn English, and today I'm continue practicing my speaking skills and recording this video to the camera to share it with you on YouTube, guys. So today topic for discussion, let's choose it right now. Why do people yawn? I learned from that article that there are several theories about why we yawn. One theory suggests that people can yawn when they need more oxygen in their blood. However, the majority believe that when we yawn, we open our mouth so wide, getting fresh air, and so that make our brain be fresh, to cool our brain, you know what I'm saying, to cool our brain. But it's still really secret and unknown why. Have you ever noticed that when someone yawning in front of you, you can also start yawning just looking at himself, I really noticed this. I remember this. Yeah. You see this? You see? I'm yawning. Even just reading about yawning, people start yawning. If you yawning, leave the comment. Or maybe I'm just yawning because I didn't get enough sleep. Now let's ask some questions after the text. Do you find it surprising that scientists aren't sure why we yawn? Definitely, I'm surprised about this. In the first sight, yawning is just a simple act in our body, but even scientists still don't know why we're yawning. Yeah, I mean, this is such a confusing when we trying to explore cosmos, space, our planet Earth, but we still don't know everything about our body. Yeah, about our brain, we don't know anything. Yeah, we know a little information about how our brain really works, maybe. We're supposed to work on it more thoroughly. Do you often feel tired throughout the day? No, I've never tired. What do you find wakes you up when you're feeling sleepy? It's always alarm. Yeah, I stop alarm because I have to go to university early in the morning. But when I had a break at university, we didn't have these classes. I didn't set up alarm. I was just sleeping until I will get enough hours to feel energetic the whole day. Right. Cool, let's go. That's a great question. Next. Do you think you'd enjoy working as a researcher? I like researching. I enjoy researching and find the new secret even information. I'm really worried about some conspiracy theories sometimes. Yeah, once I would like to research some global problem what the whole world worry about, you know what I'm saying. And actually I already had this kind of experience when I was 16 years old. My friend and I were trying to to find information, to research about how Americans went to the moon. You remember, it was like a mission. The first people in the moon, Neil Armstrong, American astronaut. We have doubts about how true it is or not, or it was just filming in a studio. We really dedicated the whole days and nights to this investigation to find to find as more information as possible. But finally, we didn't detected any evidence that Neil Armstrong wasn't in the moon. Yeah, so it was failed mission for us. Whew, enough talking for the day. I'm not really in a good shape in talking, so I feel like my brain works a bit slowly, and my thoughts are not built properly. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.